Alright, y'all. I looked all over the damn internet. It ain't no goddamn information on this fucking thing right here. But I got a broken sector gear on this bitch. The only way I can get this motherfucker off is to stab through this stem. So let me zoom in for you. Right in that crease right there. I ain't got no tool for this shit. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to fucking get a hammer and something flat, maybe a flat head. I'm gonna knock the fuck out of that bitch. Because that's the only thing standing between me and putting this damn new gear in. So, if you having that problem, that's how you get this shit out. See, I got a little bit of progress. I'm not the damn, whatever this thing called. I don't know what these parts is, but y'all get the point. It's coming apart. All I'm using is a butter knife and a hammer. Goddamn wire, get out of the way. Shit. There we go. Now you can see a little tab inside there. The only thing standing between me and this rod, I don't know if I can see it. There it is. Shiny thing down there. Alright, now I got it in here. Just wiggle it back and forth a little bit. Don't ask me what this is. I tore a bracket off something, but it worked. Alright, finally got the new one in there. Remember when you put it in there, make sure it sits flush. Just like that. That's your lock. That means your key is turned to the back position. That's what lock you call. If you don't put it in right, see how that's rotating there? That's what's actuating the rod. Alright, this is my key all the way forward. That's starting. Alright, watch me roll it back. Alright, that's the off position. You gotta make sure you got at least one more click. I'll do the shit with two of my hands. There we go. Alright. And that's my lock. I mean, yeah. No, not lock, but the one after it's locked, then go backwards and you can turn your radio and shit on. Yeah, that's what that is. Everything's sitting flush. Start. Locked. And then the accessory shit. God damn it. Y'all get the point. Make sure that shit's sitting flush like